Hi, I'm Josephine and you are welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this cool intro animation in PowerPoint. Welcome to New York. Welcome to New York. If you are new to our channel, kindly subscribe and click on the like button below. Thank you. Without further ado, let's jump right into our tutorial. On a blank PowerPoint slide, right-click and select Format Background. Select Picture and Texture Fill and click on Insert to insert the picture you desire for the background. Go to Insert Text and add a text box and write New York. Change the font and the font size. And change the font color. With the text selected, right-click and choose Format Shapes. Go to Text Options. Choose Text Effects, Shadow, Presets. Choose Offset Center, Transparency 50%, and blur 7 points. Select the background and go to Insert and choose the second image. Here I'm going to insert the Statue of Liberty of New York. So I leave it like this. Go to Insert, choose a rectangle and draw it. Draw it to fill your slide like this. Right click and choose Format Shapes. Click on Line, No Line, and go to Color and select Eyedropper and select the color. I chose orange color. You could use your eyedropper to select any different color, but I chose orange. Now hold Ctrl Shift and move this, duplicate this element and resize it to be small like this. Now rotate it and move it in like this. Draw it to look like this on the screen. Hold Ctrl Shift and drag it to duplicate. Go to Rotate and select Flip Horizontal and move it down. Position it like this. Select this Statue of Liberty and right-click and bring it to front. Zoom out on your slide like this. Select all the elements and the Statue of Liberty together. And drag them slightly to the left. Now select only the rectangle and drag it to fill back your slide. Now go to Insert Text and write welcome. Select the text, go to font. I'll choose impact, and the font size I'll choose 150 and change the color to white. Reposition your text in the middle. With the text still selected, go to animation and select float in. Change the duration to 0.50 seconds. Select add animation and choose more exit effects and select fly out. Click OK. Go to effect options and choose to the top. Hold Ctrl D to duplicate the text and write on the second text too. Now go to duplicate your slide, and on the second slide remove the text. And select all the elements in the Statue of Liberty like this and move them to the right. Now select your first slide, go to transition, select Morph and change the duration to 10 seconds and click apply to all. Let's put it on a slideshow to see how our slide will look like. Now we have welcome to New York. Welcome to New York. So this is how you design this cool intro animation in PowerPoint. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the tutorial. If it was helpful to you, kindly subscribe and click on the like button. Thank you.